this is the top of the line in this sport version, right? There is the capstone as well, which is going to be the luxury version of it.
Thank you.
Huge screen, digital dash, that is standard. This is also a camera as well.
Oh, sweet.
Because we are in a big SUV, right? And we will most likely pack this up to the brim without even seeing through the back. So that is a great feature to have.
And that's a nice for a quick backing up into a parking spot or somewhere else. That's nice to have too. Sweet. Does this pivot then when you move the actual
Oh, no, it doesn't.
Nope. Okay. I feel that. It locks.
Yeah, it locks in place.
Interesting. Okay, that's cool.
So, yeah, whenever you're comfortable, we can go ahead and start to drive. And with standard in the Sequoia is the TRD, is the iForce Max, which is the hybrid motor in it.
Okay, so what's the cylinders on that?
Still a it's a V6, 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo.
Sweet.
Make this right. If you decide to give it some throttle, you're more than welcome to. It's most likely about 60, and then we'll slow down because we have to make a right.
Got you.
Give it some gas and let it rip. And we'll slow it down about right here. About middle of the barrels, you're going to see a right entrance. I'm going to make a right into there.
I had to make it interesting for you guys this year.
Oh, they wanted to make you feel like you're on an autocross track.
Yeah, there we go with that. Instead of just.
And then here's another small area if you do want to let her rip.
Feels good on the throttle.
And
then give it a little brake here.
Oh, sweet. Comes down fast.
Yes.
Nice.
And then we'll make a right into here next to the guard shack. Knowing that there's a lot of people for this because it is brand new.
It is brand new.
You
You
know,
want to move things along.
if you didn't go into the building yet for the auto show, more like the product specialist can answer a lot more questions than I could in a longer period of time. Right? But yeah, this is.
The interior looks beautiful and everything. So
Well, it was a pleasure, Bear, and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay.
Alrighty, guys. So here we go, looking at the Sequoia. So this is Sequoia TRD variant. I got to drive one of these outside. Awesome ride. The exhaust system on this sounds great with only a turbo V6 and then the hybrid engine setup in it. Look at the rear seats. Definitely look good. To see if we can get in. Oh, that is a sweet and easy get in and out of. We got, and these seats are very far back by the way as well. We got our cup holders, we got our infotainment system down here with climate control as well. We also have two of the charging cables and then regular car charger. This is the TRD variant, so this has the red interior. It looks really good. Nice interior here on the door. So we got a lot of nice storage space down there. Looking on in the front. Definitely sweet. Look at that, nice seats. So go ahead and get on in here. And very nice bucket seats. These seats are very, very comfortable. So same thing going on here as with the Tundra. We got a nice charging area for your phone. Got a nice cup holder option. Got the nice TRD shifter. It looks good, very comfortable to sit in. Now one thing that I did have an issue with just driving was that you have these things in the hood right here, and those were, when you're trying to look to one side or the other, they are a little bit distracting because you can't quite see what's to your side if there's something right in front of you down low. But other than that, very fun driving experience, very smooth, and really was the funnest drive that I had today. But yeah, just really cool sound from the exhaust system, really good steering. The steering was extremely smooth, nice and tight. The pedal was extremely good as well because you can just set it and really enjoy knowing exactly where you're trying to run miles per hour wise. But beautiful interior on this thing. Looks really, really good. Oh, and also nice little TRD right there on the steering wheel as well. So very cool. So taking a look at the front here real quick before we move on. And it's got a very aggressive looking front end. A little bit more of the 4Runner type going on. So definitely looks good from the front. And then side angle wise, it looks pretty good as well. Yeah, that's a cool looking vehicle. That's a cool one.
So
Yeah.
and they're BBS forged wheels. So
Yeah.
you walk around.
Yeah, I was able to give it walk around too. So, oh yeah, engine wasn't up originally, so yeah. So the hybrid engine over there. We got the iForce Max engine right under there. So I mean, look at how much space is in the front. Good
I was gonna
night.
say kind of a small air box, but that's because there's two.
Two, yeah.
So it's got twin throttle bodies.
Exactly, yeah.
Twin turbos, twin throttle bodies.
So how would you like how it drove?
I really did. Yeah, I was impressed. I really liked it. I think we ended up talking a little bit more, so I didn't get really experience it per se. But we, he let me get onto it quite a bit. And It's amazing amount of torque and virtually no turbo lag either, which is incredible.
Yeah, and it had a really good brakes as well.
Yeah. They weren't, slap you in the face.
They weren't Dodge Charger. They weren't Dodge Charger brakes. No.
But you didn't wonder where they were either.
No, you knew exactly where they were coming in, so that was nice.
I noticed if you look at those mirrors,
Yeah.
I mean, look how big that is.
It's really nice to be able to see what's all along the side there as well.
It's huge.
Yeah.
I mean, the materials and everything used.
Yes.
Very,
It's a very nice interior. Yep.
I mean, just very industrial looking, dashboard too. It kind of matches the outside.
Yeah.
You can see those shapes, being designed to match.
Yep.
I heard one person, the guy I was driving with, said that the roof rack deal was noisy highway driving. So that makes sense.
Yeah.
But overall, and I think he said that the third row can slide some.
Yeah.
Which is kind of interesting.
Yep.
Look at that. It's funny, they still got the little deck carrier even for, look, it'll fold out.
Oh, that's a cool feature. Yeah. That's cool. But yeah.
From what he said, these will actually go out as well. I should go and try them. And those special rugs too.
Yeah, those are so cool with the tie tread. Yeah, that was cool.
But I mean, you got a lot of cargo area carrying. I think this is that fine color.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful. Look like there's a ton of space.
Yeah.
What were your thoughts?
Yeah, I thought it drove really good. Had a lot of good brakes, and even because on that one road that has a little bit of a turn on it with the entering, I was accelerating through that and no shimmy. It was very good through there. Yeah, it handled very, very well. So definitely like that. Yeah, that was cool. So
Insane.
yeah.
And of course the exhaust for the TRD Pro.
Yeah, beautiful right there. Very nice.
Actually, accelerating with it, it was such an interesting sound because I was like, it's not a V8, but being as muffled as it was, but with a little bit of a noise, it almost sounded like a V8, which is kind of strange. It was a weird sensation. Like, and this.
Yes, that's a great little feature.
And did you see the turn lights?
No, I don't think I saw the turn lights.
Alright, so the turn lights, you know how the Mustangs do?
Yep. Oh, sweet. Okay, cool.
One thing I noticed though, a personal opinion on their LED strip there, it's looked kind of cheap compared to some of the newer stuff.
Like the Dodge stuff? Yeah. Yeah.
It was still there, but this one
Yeah, it wasn't nice and crisp.
like something about eBay.
Gotcha, yeah.
So, but it, nothing against the taillight. It's just
But yeah, it's very cool, that's for sure. Like it.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna crawl on the back there.
Yeah.
I'm just curious how it fit.
Yeah.
So, see if it's a Telluride.
Oh, and look, you got like little camo design there on the seats themselves. That's kind of cool. Yes, I mean, there you go.
Well, your knees are definitely in your chest.
Woo! Yep, that's tight.
I mean, your feet do fit flat on the floor. And if you're a smidge claustrophobic, it might be an issue. But they do have, look at this.
Yes, they got the flip-ups, which are nice for the, and keep things tinted. So that's nice.